Just visit your Chrome browser and use option install Python for Windows. Okay. So in my case, it's Windows 10. Okay. Download Python. Okay. This is the official website for Python. Right. Python.org. So please ensure that. Click on the first link. Okay, by the way, while following the steps, if someone is facing any kind of challenge anywhere, please let me know. Okay. Then, what is the latest version? Okay, 3.10.6. All right. If by any chance, if someone is using some other operating system like Mac or Linux, okay, they can use these options. Okay, they can click over here and follow the steps. These are easy steps. Okay. So now, for now, we are going to install for Windows. So click on download file. Okay, so the exe is downloaded. Okay, let's open it. Okay, shall I take a pause if it is taking time for you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
all right, I'll take a pause. Okay, by the way, over here, this is very important step, very important step. Okay, one of the option is add Python 3.102 path. Okay, if it is done right now, okay, it will be very smoother process. Okay, by any chance, if you miss it, okay, it can be done later on as well. Okay, however, anyways, if it is required, why not to choose it at the beginning itself? Okay, so please ensure you select this checkbox, add Python. Okay, whichever version in future you are using, okay, add Python to path. Okay, those who are ready with it, okay, please respond with the done.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Okay, great. All right. If someone wants me to wait, do let me know. If you're facing some challenge or something, do let me know. Others will proceed. Last 30 seconds to respond. All right. Over here, okay, we can see uh, we have two types of installation, right? One is standard installation, okay, other one is customized, right? We'll go for the standard installation, okay? All right. And for your reference, you can note down the path, okay? You can note down the path because Later on, sometime, for example, if someone doesn't select this option, okay, later on you want to add the Python to path or something on your own, or something you want to do, okay, we should always be aware of this path. So what is the path? So the path colon backslash user, whatever is your user, okay, then app data, local programs, Python, and then whichever version of Python. Okay, so in future, if someone is referring to this recording, this part may vary a bit. Okay, all right. So let's proceed with the standard installation. Okay, it is asking the permission to make changes to the computer. So I'm selecting yes over here. Okay, till the time it is installing these things, okay, what we'll do, we'll side by side, we'll start downloading pycharm also. Okay, so download pycharm for Windows. Okay, mine is Windows 10. Okay, if you are using some other version, you can select so. Okay, for example, someone might be using Windows 11 or other version. You can mention that. Okay, so this pycharm, okay, has got two versions. One is community version, other one is licensed version. We are going to proceed with the community version, okay, which is free to use. All right, and this product is pycharm product. Okay, awesome product. Okay, is from JetBrains. Okay, so we are going to official website to download pycharm and install it. Okay, so click on the first link. Okay, so copy the link. All right. Yes. So we have like whichever version OS you are using. Okay. So go to the respective OS tab. Okay. And now currently we are installing for Windows. We have two versions, right? One is professional, which is the paid version. All right. Another is community version. Okay. Yes. This is uh, sufficient for our development purpose and whatever we are doing. Okay. This will be sufficient for us. Okay. Yes, so we are going to use community version, which is free of charge, right? So please ensure that you are selecting community version, click on download. Okay, so it is downloading. Meanwhile, let's have a look at the Python installation. Okay, setup was successful. Okay, what does it say? Okay, at your terminal, okay, terminal type py to launch Python. Okay, either you can type py or Python on the terminal or command prompt. Okay, to launch Python in interactive mode. Okay. Okay. It's a simple wizard. All right. Before installation of Python, always ensure that Python is installed successfully and we are able to see the version. Okay, so that ensures that path and all is set properly. Okay, now follow the wizard, click on next. Okay, so again over here you can copy the path where you are installing it. So you may want to select the checkbox. Okay, create the desktop shortcut. Once again, it says add bin folder to the path. Please ensure that you select this checkbox. Okay, and create associations. Okay, for .py. So by default, whenever you are creating the Python files, okay, it will be linked with the pycharm ID. Okay, so we have selected three checkboxes over here. Create desktop shortcut, update path variable, and create association. Click next. Follow the wizard. Click on install. Other options won't affect a lot. Okay, creating desktop shortcut or association with .py file, though it is recommended, but this is very important. Okay, adding bin folder to the path. Okay, by the way, everyone is able to follow it so far. Any challenges?
सर
Yes.
माझं ते कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट मध्ये पायथॉन हायफन वर्जन आपण ते हे करतो.
Can you select option get over here? So sometimes in Windows, the options are that we must install it from uh, Windows Store, okay, Microsoft Store. So in that case, you can use this option. Okay, I guess it is downloading, and then you can follow the installation wizard.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
No worries at all. All right. Let me share my screen again. Please let me know once my screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, now everyone, ideally, when you complete the installation, you should select reboot now option, okay? So that the installation is done properly and you are able to use all the options, okay? However, since I'm presenting my screen and we don't want to disconnect from the session, okay. For now, I am selecting. I want to manually reboot later on, okay. And same with you, okay. If you want to select, I want to reboot later. For now, you want to select this. That's fine, okay. But those who are referring to the recording, okay, you can prefer to use the option reboot now, okay. It will take by default, okay. .py extension तो आपणच देतो Python program ला. All right, and write this basic code: a equal to 5, b equal to 2, print a plus b. Okay, so I hope everyone, okay, this today's open session, okay, was useful for everyone to understand how we can do Python installation, okay, how we can do download and install community version of pycharm, all right, and do our first program. All right, so thank you so much for taking out time, okay, on especially joining on short notice. Right. Well, yes.
If sir, हम automation सीख रहे हैं Python का with Selenium.
मैं इस बारे में सारे आंसर्स लेटर ऑन दे दूंगा, ठीक है. आज का सेशन से एक जेनेरिक सेशन था सिर्फ पाइथन और पाइचार्म इंस्टॉलेशन के लिए, ओके. तो बाकी सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर हम अगर इससे रिलेटेड कुछ है चैलेंज तो अभी आप पूछ सकते हैं, बट बाकी हम चीजें बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Yes. In my first session, I'll talk about that in detail. तो आज का एक स्पेशल सेशन था, okay, which is open for all, alright, where we learned how to install Python and pycharm. Okay, so I'll stop the recording